So adding images, like we did in the last tutorial with this David Crowder image, is one thing. But to take it to the next level, you can actually turn those images into links. And the way we do that is we go back into our rich text editor, and we click on this image, and we see when we do, we have bounding boxes that show up around it. And then we click the Insert Edit Image button. So since we've already selected an image, this is going to allow us to edit that image. And we'll see that it comes up here. Again, we see the size. Let's go ahead and make it a little smaller so it's easier to see. We'll make it 150 pixels. There we go. And then at the top, you see you have this link tab. So let's go ahead and click on that. And then we have a couple options: URL, the target, and browse server. Browse server will allow you to actually, I'm going to go ahead and click on it, actually set this to another page on your website. So if we click on page, we can say, let's turn this image into a link that goes to our, one of these other pages on our website. This shows all the pages on this particular website. Or a file on your website. You click on file, and this will show you all the files that you have uploaded. Or another URL. I'm going to actually close this and show you that you can actually just type in a URL here. So I'm going to type in http www. I know that David Crowder's website is davidcrowderband.com. Now, this target option is where you want this particular link to open. Now, since I'm linking to a website that's outside of my own website, I don't want to leave it on no set, because if I leave it on no set, it's actually going to take my users away from my site, and it'll take them to David Crowder's website instead. If I'm linking to another website, I want to use this new window option, blank. It's a underscore blank. That's the target. So I'm going to set it to new window, and I'm going to click OK. And now you've got a blue line around the image. The border is now blue. Now lots of people don't like that blue border, so you can actually go back into Edit Image and get rid of the border by just putting a 0 in this border box. That gets rid of the border. And we'll click OK. And now we've got this image. And if we click Update down at the bottom, we'll go back to our live page once it loads here. And you'll see we've got this module, we've got this image that's now smaller, and if we roll over it, you'll see that we get the little hand indicating that it's a link. And I'll go ahead and click on it, and when I do, you see it opens up. It actually opened up a new tab. Here's my old tab here, Main Street Online. Here's my new tab, David Crowder, and it's at davidcrowderband.com. Now if I close this tab, it'll take me back to my website. So that's how you can create links out of images, and lots of people are using this in really creative ways. You can actually have an image navigation, so that at the in your bottom pane you can drop several images that take people to different pages on your site.